Hello, this is Chris Duncan at Find Your Focus Photographic Education, and today we're on our series are the things you need to know about Lightroom, some of the most important features, and one of them is on presets. Well, I have a feeling most of you know about the preset panels to the left when you're in the Develop module. You have all these presets. Of course, it comes loaded with some, and many people sell their presets. And let's see, if you want to do some presets, you can just right-click and import, and it'll just take you to a place on your desktop or your computer that you can then select the proper presort and import it. That's pretty simple. Okay, and there's a way to export these too, if you want to save those or send them to someone else. Now, these are, I guess, what I would call global presets. So if I click one of these, it's going to do it to the whole image. Now, when we get to over here, under our basic panel, we have our tools, our crop, and our gradients and our brush. These are local presets. And so, Lightroom comes loaded with these, like temperature, where you can change the temperature and the brightness, and you can basically dodge and burn and a few other things. Well, you can see I've created several presets. Well, what if you want to share these, or someone has one of these they want to share with you? How do you do that? There's no way here where it says export preset. I mean, you can save it and it comes up in this library, but where is that? So I'm going to show you how you can save these presets or access these presets along with your export presets. So let's do this. So if you were going to export and you wanted to share one of these export presets you have, maybe to another user in your office or a friend of yours or maybe you have just two computers and you want one on your laptop and one on your desktop and you want them to be the same. How do you do that? So let's talk about that. So the easiest way to do that is go to Lightroom, Preferences, and under Presets here, it's the second tab, click Show Lightroom Presets folder. And that's going to open a Finder window or an Explorer window if you're in Windows. And it is going to show you where that is. On mine, it's under the hard drive, Users, the Library, Application Support, Adobe, Lightroom. And then I have all these presets. So let's see, if I look in here, we can go to Develop Presets. These are all the ones, I've got some Kubota, some of the ones I've created. Local adjustment presets. These are your brushes and your gradients. And all you have to do is select the ones you want, and then you can copy these to a flash drive and then load them into the same folder on your other computer or wherever else you're going to be using Lightroom on another station, and then restart Lightroom and they will appear in this drop down list when you get to that. And then you see export presets under here as well. So this is a great way to share some of those things, even for yourself, to share them from a desktop workstation to a laptop workstation. So once again, this is Chris Duncan at Find Your Focus Photographic Education, certainly one of the key things you need to know about Lightroom. Thanks again for watching, and happy creating.